In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the VidIQ extension from YouTube. If you've decided that VidIQ is no longer serving your needs, or perhaps you simply want to declutter your browser, I'm here to guide you through the process of removing it effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your Chrome browser. If you're not already there, go ahead and open it up now. Once you're in Chrome, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll find the extension icon, which typically resembles a puzzle piece. This icon is usually located right next to the download icon. Clicking on this icon will display a drop-down menu showcasing all the extensions you currently have installed on your browser. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the VidIQ extension from this list. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct extension, especially if you have multiple installed, to avoid accidentally removing the wrong one. Once you've identified the VidIQ extension, you'll notice 3 vertical dots associated with it. These dots indicate a menu that offers additional options for the extension. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a new menu where you'll find the option you're looking for, Remove from Chrome. Clicking on Remove from Chrome will prompt a confirmation dialog. This is Chrome's way of ensuring that you genuinely want to remove the extension and haven't clicked it by mistake. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the removal. The removal process is quite swift. Once confirmed, the VidIQ extension will be uninstalled from your Chrome browser. You won't need to restart your browser or perform any additional steps. The extension will be removed immediately and you can continue browsing as usual. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the VidIQ extension from your Chrome browser. This process is simple, but it makes a big difference in keeping your browser clean and efficient, especially if you have numerous extensions that you no longer use. Remember, managing your extensions regularly can greatly improve your browsing experience by speeding up your browser and reducing clutter. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it made the process of removing the VidIQ extension clear and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day!